And we're talking about this with more of that snow on the way. Some of our local public works and highway departments are still trying to get rid of some of the heavier snowfall we got back on January 15th. Channel 2's Ron Plants checked things out for us today.
Just as we saw here on the City of Buffalo's west side this afternoon, there is an ongoing effort to push back some of the heavier piles of snow which have built up over the past couple of weeks. Some of it came from that major January 15th storm, which produced up to and above 20 inches in some areas back then. But there have also been nuisance storms bringing a few inches here and there, which really pile up. While the City of Buffalo did not have anyone available to speak with us directly today, despite our request, a spokesman did release a statement from DPW Commissioner Mike Finn saying city crews continue to clean up hard-pack ice from previous storms and to widen streets to the curb. Up in the town of Tonawanda, crews were also out today to actually remove some of the snow and to make an effort to increase the safety factor, especially at intersections.
The next 2 days, we are going to try to start clearing corners for visibility throughout the whole town. So it's not just on our roads, on county roads and also on state roads. If they need to be done, we're hoping to get that done before the snow rolls in Thursday afternoon.
And with the warmer above freezing temperatures on Tuesday and Wednesday to help with some of that snow and ice melt, they're hoping to make some progress out there before the snow cover comes back. Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.